Hi! So I'm gonna share with you guys today this brow kit I got from Shopee. It's called Kimuse. I have no idea how I pronounce it. Anyone can tell me? Okay, anyway, I got this in number 4, deep brown, because I always like a darker brown. And yeah, this is my first reaction video. And let's open up and see what's inside. Okay, so there's 2 spoolies for you to help define your brows. That's good. And this would be the stamp. Take a look inside. So it's pressed powder, and this would be the stamp. Okay, so this would be the stamps. I think there's about 10 of them, and they're all named individually. There's confident, sexy. There's even shooting star. I like this, shooting star, and queen. Okay, and then there's classic, elegant, nobility, and heroine. Great names. Okay, so let's try out heroine. Being a heroine in my story, so let me try to see. Yeah, I'm supposed to punch out this. Okay, let's see. Okay. No, I think it's a bit too archy and a bit too thick for my liking. Let's try something else. Shooting star. Looks a bit softer. Maybe this will work. And it is a bit thicker. Okay. Seems pretty good. Shooting star. A motherfucking shooting star. Okay. And let's try this time. Queen. Queen. So I'm gonna try queen. Let's see how this goes. Ooh, this looks nice. It's not too archy, it's not too long at the end. Okay, I think this one works fine. So it's either this or shooting star. Okay, so shooting star is a bit softer, got a softer arc. Let's see. I'm gonna go for queen. I want to be queen for the day. Okay, so let's try this.
A few moments later.
You just stamp it on, and it's gonna last you for a decent whole day. So I'm going out for the whole day today later, and we'll come back and see. But let me just stamp this on. Okay, I'm just gonna look at the mirror. Let's do this. Ooh, okay. Looks kind of promising. Okay, as long as you don't slip and then you stamp on your brows, I think you should be fine. Reveal. Ooh. Okay, but let's do the other side, but let's make sure you clean the stamp before, putting on your other face. So just clean this side. So clean stamp, start over on the other side. Just make sure I'm gonna stamp this correctly. Okay. Shit. Okay. Where is it? Okay, got it. Stamp, 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 stamp. Eesh. Make sure you get to every bald spot. Okay. Stamp, 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 stamp. I think I got everything. Every spot now. Oh, okay. Dun dun dun! Ta-da! Okay. I need to get used to this. Maybe it's a bit too dark. Let me just try and soften it up a bit. I think it's looking better. It's not too dark now. Yeah, definitely better. But I think it needs a bit getting used to. But if you're in a rush, I think this would be a good option. Just don't go too strong on the stamping. So yeah, I'm just gonna do the rest of my eyes.
Many minutes later.
Okay, so I did my eyes, eyeshadow, eyeliner, and mascara. Oh, and I also redid my lips because I think bolder lip color goes better with the queen eyebrows. You get what I mean? Okay, so I'm just gonna head out and see how the eyebrow is gonna withstand a whole day of having fun. So we'll see. Bye!
Later that same evening.
Okay guys, I'm back from my day out. I've been out the whole day since this morning and it's officially past the 12 hours mark. And let's check. My eyebrows are still intact and it's pretty much been a very hot, humid and sweaty day and it's still intact. Oh my god, you can hardly see anything on my fingers. But one thing to note though, I did use makeup setting spray because I have naturally oily skin, combination skin, so I always use makeup setting spray before and after. So yeah, this is the one I'm using and it's from Urban Decay All Nighter. This is one of my favorites. So officially their ad doesn't say how long. They didn't claim like how many hours it's supposed to last, but it does say that it's sweat proof and waterproof. So definitely recommend. I would recommend this for those of you who has, you know, trouble or just too lazy to draw your own eyebrows, especially if you're rushing in the morning. You know, you can't really get both sides to be as symmetrical as possible, but this, I mean, the stencils, you're gonna get very symmetrical, like a mirror image of both eyebrows. So it does look a little bit unnatural, but I think as long as you don't apply too much, or you know, not too heavy-handed on when you're stamping, it should be fine. So they have 5 colors that you can choose from, and they are blonde, soft brown, medium brown, deep brown, which is the one that I got, and also black brown. And one more thing is they are also cruelty free, so definitely a plus point there. And yeah, it's super affordable. It doesn't burn a hole in your pocket and it works, and it's definitely a godsend for people like me who are super helpless in drawing eyebrows. Trust me, I'm super bad at it. Before I had my eyebrows embroidered, a friend told me that I have a quizzical look. That's how bad I am. I am. Yeah, I'm still bad at it. So definitely, that's how bad I am in drawing eyebrows. So this saves a lot of time, saves a lot of heartache, saves a lot of pain in reminding me just how bad I am at it. So definitely need more practice. I'm liking it. Sorry, I'm just... Okay, I think I noticed something there just now. No. I've just been up the whole day. I think my eyes are getting too dry and starting to see things. So that's it from me. Today, I need to remove my makeup and get my beauty sleep because it's super late right now. And until the next time I find something that's worthy of sharing, that's it. Bye-bye!